Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have the JBL PartyBox Encore 2 speaker, and I'm going to tell you how you can easily pair your speaker with your mobile application on your iPhone. At first we have to install this application. To do so we have to open App Store and tap on search. In the search bar we have to search for, not the voice search, we have to search for JBL PartyBox here. Now we have to tap on this application, JBL PartyBox, from Harman International Industries, and click on this button over here. If you have here the Get button, you have to tap on this Get button and authorize yourself using the Face ID or Apple ID password. Don't worry, it won't get your money or any credentials. You just have to authorize yourselves before installing some application. It's with every application on iOS. Now we have to wait until our application is on our phone. As you can see now, our application is installed. Here we have to now tap open, and I recommend to connect to the speaker before doing this whole process. Now we have to click Get Started and here Accept. Now we have to allow for finding Bluetooth devices, and now let's wait a moment. As you can see, my products, JBL PartyBox Encore 2, and now as you can see we're connected to this speaker, and that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.